Atlas Butler is committed to comfort 24/7 because your home doesn't take a break, which is why we've designed our Comfort Club membership with you in mind. By choosing from our Elite, Premier, or Select memberships, you'll receive access to exclusive money-saving offers and promotions year-round, like discounts on repairs, safety inspections, system maintenance, and more. Our members get exclusive access to promotions that are solely designed for our Comfort Club. Plus, if you ever move, your Comfort Club membership can move with you. Our Elite-level Comfort Club membership includes annual AC and furnace clean and checks 2 visits per year, refrigerant leak search, 5th year of membership free, annual whole home plumbing inspection, no diagnostic fees, extra savings including 30% off repairs, 20% off clean air solutions, 10% off new equipment, 5% off plumbing projects, all for $32.95 per month. Our Premier Level Comfort Club membership includes annual AC and furnace clean and checks, 2 visits per year, refrigerant leak search, $49 diagnostic fee per service, a savings of $40, extra savings like 20% off repairs, 10% off clean air solutions, 5% off new equipment, all for $23.95 per month. Finally, our Select Level Club membership includes annual safety inspection 1 visit per year, extra savings of 10% off repairs, 5% off clean air solutions, all for just $15.95 per month. The average HVAC tune-up and cleanings cost $598 per year. Our club memberships more than pay for themselves. Join our Comfort Club or get more information about memberships by calling 1-800-FURNACE today.